Help Center Tutorials. How to add clients individually in Precision Systems from your mobile device, iPad or iPhone. There are different ways to add customers to Precision Systems to build your database. If you haven't already done so, we invite you to read our article How to Add Customers to Your Database in Precision Systems to learn about the other methods, and to adopt the one that works best for you in each of the situations in which you will be creating a customer record. Adding them individually from your iPad or your iPhone is one of them. To do this, open your session, then, from the Loyalty section on the menu, go to Customer Database. In the lower right section of your screen, press the button, Add a Client. Then proceed to fill in the fields of the form that will be displayed to you with your customer's data. Note that the name field is mandatory, in addition to either the phone or the email field. Once you have finished filling in the required fields, save the creation of your customer's file by pressing the button Validate at the bottom of the form. At this level, your customer will have been added to your Precision Systems customer database. To add or change information on the customer records you've created, we invite you to read our article, How to Edit a Customer Record.